How to change skill description and honor of kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now we're in the settings interface. Here on the left, there are different options that you can select from. Simply select in match. So here we're in this settings interface. Now slowly scroll down to the bottom, and here on the right hand side there's an option called skill description. So mainly there are two different options, brief and detailed. So you can select any one of these. So it is useful if you keep on briefed, because there are some times where it can overlap too. So you can use brief if you are a pro player, but if you want some more description, you can tap on detailed too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.